Most of my paintings are works that I painted with my eyes closed. From drawing with my eyes closed, I showed that first of all, the public should draw with the heart. That is, I wanted to show that the most important thing is the feeling. The heart is necessary for visual art, art in general. This means that our main source of knowledge of the Kazakh world, knowledge of the Turkic world, is closely connected with nature and feelings. And it turns out that it is felt when you tie these eyes. For example, if we look at this painting, I showed a witch, and I painted all this with my eyes closed.
On our website, you can buy unique interior paintings of